Basic of fuel injectors. All modern petrol injection systems use indirect injection. A special pump sends the fuel under pressure from the fuel tank to the engine bay where, still under pressure, it is distributed individually to each cylinder. This works much like the spray nozzle of a hose. Symptoms of bad or clogged fuel injectors. Starting issues: if the fuel injector is not delivering enough fuel to the engine system. This can cause the car to struggle when trying to turn over or not turn over at all. Just cranks with no result. Poor idle: if your car's idle noise has changed and feels rougher, the fuel injectors may not be delivering fuel as they should. As with misfiring, this is normally down to the injector nozzles being clogged with particles, which interfere with the spray of the fuel. Increased fuel consumption: a faulty fuel injector can lead to a significant drop in fuel economy. This is because the ECU is calling for more fuel from the injector but not receiving it in the combustion chamber. The less fuel reaches the engine, the lower your fuel economy. Smoke from the tailpipe: the injector can leak or become stuck open and deliver too much liquid fuel into the combustion chamber. The excess fuel causes thick white smoke to be produced and released from the exhaust pipe. Check engine light comes on. The most common fault codes associated with a clogged fuel injector are P0171 and P0174 or P0201, P0202, P0203, P0204, P0205, P0206 for faulty injectors.